shop with me video. I don't go to too many places. I just went to the greenhouse to get some fall mums and some other flowers for my urns for outside. I have two big black urns that you'll see later in this video because I do plant the flowers in this video, and I hang up my big fall wreath that I got last year from HomeSense. But I also went with my mom and the girls to Michael's because they did have a lot of things on sale. A lot of their fall decor was buy one get one free, which was great. Some of the things were still a little bit too pricey for my blood, especially the Halloween stuff. I love their Halloween stuff, but I think I'm going to do a completely separate video in October where I shop for Halloween decor at like HomeSense and the Dollar Tree, because your girl's on one income. Because my husband, he's the breadwinner. I stay home with my babies. If you're new to my channel, I have a 2-year-old and an almost 6-month-old baby girl, so I did the whole 2 under 2, and I love them so much. I love being a girl mom, although secretly I would love a little boy. I'm not too sure if we're gonna try for a 3rd baby or not, but that's a whole other video. But anyways, so I wanted to save some money for the Halloween decor, so that video will be coming in October. But for this video, I found a bunch of cute things, and there's lots of really cute stuff at Michael's that you could buy, and I show you even some little cupcake things so I can do some baking in October for Blake, because I think this year she's old enough to understand a bit more, and I think she'd be really excited for Halloween. So I'm super, and I love Halloween. I've already ordered her and Olivia their Halloween costumes, and they are matching, which is really cute, but I'm not going to tell you yet what they are, but I'm really excited because they're going to be so cute. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm trying to film more in public, so I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little bit different from something that I normally do, but let me know if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and you want to see more videos like this from me, and please share it with your friends. That will really help out my channel. I love you guys. Any links will be down below. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Also, just quickly wanted to say that even though I love doing these videos, and I am going to continue doing decorating videos and cleaning videos and showing how to organize and decorate certain things and seasonal videos, I just want you guys to know that if you are somebody that can't afford to buy new decor at every season, like, you know, I can't afford to buy a ton of stuff either, or if you know, watch videos like this and you think, oh, I wish I had, you know, the money to go out and do this, or you're just feeling sad or down because you aren't able financially to do it, just know, let's be real for a second, that all of this shit doesn't really matter. What matters is that you have a roof over your head, you have food on your table, and you love your family. Whether you have children or don't have children, have a spouse or don't have a spouse, the relationships that you form with your family and having a roof over your head and food on the table are the only things that matter in life. The fact that, and your health, obviously, the fact that, you know, you show your children or your family that you love them, that you guys spend time together and you have air in your lungs, that is what is important, and that is what matters. All this other materialistic stuff, it's just stuff, and it doesn't fill your heart. It doesn't bring you joy and make you happy. It can obviously, I mean, decorating brings me joy and cooking brings me joy, but my ultimate true passion and joy is the love I have for my husband, my children, and obviously like my parents and my family. So I just wanted to put that in as a little side note, because although I love videos like this and I love having that creative outlet and getting all of this stuff out, and I absolutely love doing these kind of videos, I just want you to remember what's really important in life, and that is your health and the love you have for your family. That's all that matters. So anyways, after that serious note, let's get into the video. I'm at the greenhouse, and I picked out 2 cranberry mums and these daisies and some annuals to put in my urns. And the Livy's here, and my mom picked these ones. And Blakey's eating a cookie, aren't you, baby? Aren't you? And we just have to pick out some potting soil. So many kinds. We going. got some potting soil.
I got them, honey. I'll give you another cookie if you want when we get in the car, okay?
I don't know how to put them in here so that...
That's fine, and just put these up against.
Oh,
Like
you
in the
ate them all, honey. So we just picked up our flowers, as you guys saw. Grandma's putting the carts back, honey. Ow, these glasses. We just picked up some flowers at the greenhouse. Everything is so expensive, so we just stuck to flowers. So I got 2 mums, and I put the daisies back because my mom is going to give me some from her garden. So now to the next stop. We are at Michael's, looking at everything. And this look at these pillows. Oh, let me drop the one. I'm gonna decide which one of these I like. This one's kind of cute. Which one do you like, Bee? Do you like this one? Getting this one. And Pumpkin Kisses Harvest Wishes. And Blakey is gonna slice everything. You like the cute, the birdie? Blakey found a scarecrow that she wants to hold on to. Didn't you, sweetheart? Madre and I are making lunch. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
And I got this chalkboard marker to write something on here. These little pumpkins to make cupcakes for Halloween. And the Pumpkin Kisses, Harvest Wishes, and Give Thanks. And Blakey likes the little pumpkins, don't you, honey? So I think it was pretty successful going to Michael's. They did have some things that were a really good price, but other things were really expensive. Like I found their beautiful pillows. They had like fall pillows, and some had like a little truck on them, and they were really pretty, but they were $44 Canadian for one pillow. Mind you, it was buy one get one free, so really you get 2 pillows for $22, but that's just, for me, I think that's a bit too much just based on their size. If it was like I know, baby, $44 for a pillow like this size, I'd pay it, but I don't know, that was just a little bit much for me. But they did have a lot of really nice, like those signs that I got. They had amazing Halloween stuff, but because I'm a stay-at-home mom and we have to watch our money just like a lot of people do, I think for like the Halloween decor that I'm gonna do this year, this is the first year, by the way, that I'm gonna decorate for Halloween because Blake is old enough that she understands, so I think that she'll really get a kick out of it. But I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree for that stuff just because I like saving a bit of money. I like getting all the decor on a budget, and the Dollar Tree has a lot of really, really good stuff. So I am gonna go to the Dollar Tree for my Halloween decor, and maybe a little bit at HomeSense, because HomeSense is even cheaper than Michael's. Michael's I find is the most expensive, at least in Canada. HomeSense is pretty reasonable. Like HomeSense you can get, I think I got like this big beautiful pumpkin that lights up for, I think it was like $16 or maybe $18, where ones that were half this size in a cheap plastic at Michael's were $30. So I do think that HomeSense is a little bit better bang for your buck, but I'm going to write on my chalkboard some sort of fall saying and have that put up, and then I've got to find a place to put my little signs, and then when Blake wakes up from her nap, I'm going to go outside and plant my urns and hang up my fall wreath because I'm so excited. them planted. And I just have to put, Blake helped me, didn't you? Don't eat that. No eating chalk. No, no, no. It's dirty. Did you help Mommy plant flowers? Let's see your shirt. Do you have dirt on your shirt? So I'm just looking for the bag so I can put the weeds in it, and then I have to go down the basement and look for the wreath hook to put our fall wreath up. So it's way hotter than I thought. So it's time to hang up this bad boy. Flowers. And they will get a lot bigger too. And front door. Y'all would laugh at me, but Colin was upstairs. He just went to go get the pizza, so he was with the girls. But I literally spent like 15 minutes down our gross basement because we don't have a finished basement. It's kind of like a crawl space kind of situation. There's lots of bugs. It's just gross. And I spent like 15 minutes looking around there trying to find my wreath hook. But I finally found it. I just got it last Christmas. It's an over the door one, so you can see it there. But yeah, the wreath looks really pretty. So super happy about that. And I had to go through all the Christmas bins, and of course it was in the very last one that I looked in. But I'm excited to decorate for Christmas when the time comes. Oh, my husband's here because I have a lot of stuff. Just moved this sign, it's Fall Y'all, over here because I liked it better, and then I put this Give Thanks one here because the other one was blocking the picture, so I think it just looks better this way. And a little hack for this chalkboard sign was from the dollar store, and you just need so you can get a bunch from the dollar store and then just buy chalkboard markers and then write whatever you feel like, and it's a super cheap DIY little decor idea.